So hi everyone, in this video we will show how to install NPM and why NPM is required. NPM is node package manager. Okay, so to run Angular application you need NPM, that all the dependency libraries of the node JS of which your program is need to run. Okay, that NPM will take care of all the dependent libraries. NPM will download it for you. To run that, we need to run that sudo install. Okay, 1 minute. The same command we can use, sudo apt install npm. So you can see it is installing. It will take little bit of time. So now it is unpacking and installing these particular packages. So yeah, it will take some few more minutes. It almost, now you can see installation is done. So it will ask for the system restart. Okay, now what we can do, we can check the version of npm version. So now you can see npm version 8.5.1 has been installed. Okay, so after this node and npm install is done, then the most important thing is Angular CLI. Okay, so to run that we have to execute this command. This is a very simple command, sudo npm install -g @angular/CLI. Okay, so now we are going to install the Angular CLI. So it will also take few minutes. So it is done. Okay, so it is saying 239 package has been added. Okay, so Angular CLI install is done. Now in the next video we will show you how to run my node Angular application in this particular VM. So in this VM I have installed this particular node npm and Angular CLI. Now I have this particular VM. In this VM I want to host one application. So in the next video we will discuss about that. So before that also I will show you how to install the Git, and you can download your source code from the Git and compile it here and run it here. Okay, thanks for watching. I hope you have learned or enjoy something from this video. See you in the next